Okay, bro, I want to ask one question. After that day when she received that call finish, say you yourself can suspect, say things they happen. Then how many days you can stay for the house before you come out?
After she received that call finish, it goes serious like a week.
A week.
Yeah, it goes like a week.
Okay, you see give her tata. You see give her tata after that call when you suspect.
31 days now, 31 months.
You still wear and join them.
Yes, now. The taller one.
Confirm.
31 months. I said, they don't feel cancer inside bedroom. The next person will never fall for that hat now inside a children's room.
Okay. Okay, I want to ask another question. No, I want to ask another question before you continue. The man, does after you come out for the man for the woman place. So you say now after 1 week now you come out for the woman place after the matter don't settle the man call on, right? Now 1 week you spend before you come out. You still wear around for that 1 week, Abi. Now,
yes, now.
For that 1 week when you take wear and so, you not ask and say, but you not tell me say you never felt married. Because me want ask you that question, say, because I hear say when you talk, say the woman felt you say she and the man not there again together.
Yeah, God bless you.
Now true say the woman really tell you say he and the man not there together.
Yes, ma. See, and what you say don't even return back, guys. You not take. You understand?
Yeah.
To the extent it go involve the family. The family where you know, come and say, make it carry, make it the youth body to take care of their children. Say while loves me. You understand?
Yeah.
He can't let the family know their brother no one live for waste to their brother they disturb am. If the man no come from Germany, from Italy, buy ticket on Germany, because they follow the fight. You understand? So to the extent to shackle even put the man for the house.
After you don't go come out, I be before you come.
Before me come, that is what lead to their quarrel.
Okay, that means the man they come Germany come see the woman even they lash out for that the same bed one for lash.
Yes, now, bro, this woman take babies. This one not spend 8 years for Germany. Let's talk in Germany.
8 years.
That 8 years, so now here this man need. You understand? So because of say this, the woman what they go claim Aduru. Now the man not fit stay Italy because their house don't lock. They don't go for Italy. They don't fit stay Italy again. Because of goggy things.
Yeah.
So what did the woman come to? So this to be I tell you so now. This will be the tell you so now. Now, after the woman they confess everything to me. From the beginning, this woman track me for social media. Me and they follow up for Facebook and me and woman day. You understand? When she come give me house and land, make her build because she could connect me with his brother. As he connect me with his brother, this time around, so she doesn't like me. Me never like her. Me never do that thing. I never. What does the relationship is never enter? You understand? So now, Nico they call her Gomoda. So until me use that eye of Gomoda till they follow her up.
Yeah.
I think Gomoda. Till they use sex eyes, they follow me up. Don't be Gomoda some things. But for general public, it go be Gospel Gomoda. You understand? So it's when he come give me house, I can write him.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, my lovely mom. I really love you. I love you so much. That I love you so much. That it costs whatever. That will tell you how many this move.
Okay. Okay, now I want Frank Victor, you say she don't give you the land before you go see her, Mabi.
Yes,
okay. Before you go continue, because this matter, as you they talk and we all they touch them as it be. And no one more they go back, they confront, they go back, they confront. Now, wait till you first tell me just now, because I ask you a question. Say, after you notice that call as a guy man, you observe. Say, if I say this woman see there, based on what you hear, the man say make sure and breast, based on the man what you see. So, as a guy man when you be, but you know say you fuck up big time for you to continue lashing. Maybe you stay there for that 1 week to maneuver, that will not be problem. For that, since when you start to the last chance they come, as a guy man when you be, as far as you just confirm that day, based on what you hear, for that man to say, my wife open breast, that means they see they show up themselves. You suppose your letter no say, after that call where mama I go, I'm disappointed in you. You first tell me say you know you and the man not there again, but I dey hear something now. It be like say you and the man still there. So for that simple reason, I not go fit do anything with you again. See, I go come out for your house. That is what you were supposed to do. Because this is what you are fighting against. You understand? So now make me say, make I put her up to you now direct. Say you, thank God say you not deny. Now live video be this. You not talking must be. You not even deny. Now make me ask you the question. So you really fucked up there, big bro, for you to see continue lashing before you come out. I not gonna lie you that one, bro. I not gonna lie you. So I want to ask something. Wait till come give you that moral to continue lashing. Now the land will give you a big get what it can entice you. Because if not me, right from that day I go run. If not me.
God bless you. You see, number one, from that very moment, when I come, I just get that word my ear say, show me breast. You understand? Then I comfort her instantly. I comfort her.
Okay.
She try to confuse me, talk go here, and I say they're not there again because they're not there again. I know the call her because it's true. She did with her. No, but I said even you did your son. I say the man even they buy ticket, they come that same house.
Okay.
You understand? The man they buy ticket, they come that same house. They don't do anything because of the children. The man say don't want to leave the children. The man because of the children they come here. They come that house. Even now, the man doesn't request anyone from my say, don't need for the house again, not come the house again. If you want come, you go lodge hotel. Or you go stay for one of your brother ask with the Igbo man for that area. According to what this detail explained that day. But this matter, we really talk. You understand? So when they come explain, that person no problem. Now, me now, I define how I want to move. Now, half me day now. But that as that present right there I have. So already, we don't really get the tension to move. Document already come when I want to come, when I want to work out.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
That's okay, no problem. And for me to grow my BS, make it look like what is the document, told the document, normal level, I think want to start going that way.
Yeah, yeah.
You understand? Then this same woman who you talk so, now the same bed they sleep every night. Oh, yo, but this woman na dog. You know, go feel. See, if they talk about lashing, this woman, she know they give you breathing space. Sometimes I mean, go with the letter and they say, the children never sleep. I go to tell them, you won't do. Children never sleep.
And the children did there, oh, one of those lashes they go on. The children did there.
I said they did there. The two boys did there. Duke and Victor did there. I can't say the children never sleep. God, but I mean, you relax. So the extent, you go put people side bracket, we enter side bracket, as you see go out reach.
And children never sleep. Hey.
Children never sleep. No. Children never sleep. You understand? Oh, do. If the children don't sleep, even that's what we say, even though the children don't sleep, the way the woman thing is clean, if you want to come, you go even with children. Don't be keeping the woman, we don't go get level. You understand? So, my guy, when we come try control the level, to the extent I'll carry and go kitchen. People will know this. I'll carry, if I see the moment, I'll carry and go kitchen, we'll go kitchen. We'll go to doggy for kitchen. But that kitchen where they see and do that video, so we don't knock for that kitchen tire. That's what people don't do. You understand? Just to make sure I don't know where those children be. They want those children never sleep. Sometimes we enter the bedroom, we lock ourselves inside the bedroom. They laugh inside the bedroom because the bedroom is near the panel.
Yeah.
The bedroom door just sit near the bed. So if they shout, they must be here for inside the panel. So when we do I can't distract, I can't move. You understand?
Yeah.
Because what make me not take the woman, what make me not obey her because of that land which is DB, where they build.
Yeah.
So anything where she just make like okay, nobody, I just do one, I just lock up. You understand? Until I come reach Italy. When we reach Italy, I even do the connection. What got to do my passport for your husband.
Yeah.
When I do the passport, the husband comes sit down, come talk. You understand? As we talk, then I got to know, see, this man, this woman, they're not there, but the man wants the woman. The woman don't want the man. Where the problem there for this matter between bride price still the woman head. The man don't accept the bride price.
No, bros, wait to. You say waiting.
The man don't accept the bride price. The woman don't try the toner. The man don't accept.
The man not collect.
They separate. The man don't collect. You understand? Now when we call the question, after we don't go embassy, come back. I call the question the woman. Now we want to settle the man and the woman. Let me continue here the full gist say. He don't try to return the bride price several times. The man not do collect, but they use the bride price to punish him. He don't tell the man, say, make the man carry the gold. Since how many years? The man, I think they never give him a document for Germany for years. You understand? Because the woman claims to say he don't get husband for Italy. Unfortunately, the second finance said the man get the woman, he and the husband, they stay for the halfway government leave them for Germany. The man called the pool, the man say, the man called they work for Amazon. You understand? So the thing come make government now don't come answer the woman. They don't give her a document, they don't give her one house there.
Yeah.
So now at every time, that's also party and this woman they fight. So because they fight, it can't involve social. To the extent the children even they want the man, say the man not they come the house again. Say the man so bitch for the beat their man. You understand? So this man come explain it to me. This thing happened when I never know her. 7 years ago. So this woman come explain all those things to me. So see the reason why he don't want the marriage again. He go return bride price.
Okay, you fit tell us the reason why when the woman tell you say not need the marriage again. Fit tell us.
Not so big. The man they beat him. The man not they contribute to her life. Okay. As if they so for the past 7 years, then they pay her straight for the man for Italy. The one way rent for the man for Italy. You understand? The man they do the man saying they work for embassy. You don't know what the man use when they doing the man know say they work for embassy. Now if you give her money, then you go take it, you go pay big for her from Germany. You understand? So he don't tire. Then they carry the full load of the 4 children. He will also carry the husband for Italy Jonah. So then the man say no one to gain. Maybe they separate. You understand? So then take on the return bride price. You don't want to take. So they say even the bride price, I still get the bride price. Oh, when the papa die, they want to bury her.
Okay, now you still get the money when they put for your head, our own head.
Yes, yes. So I still get the money. Hello?
Hello, I hear you na network with the skip.
So when we call this woman, then we come to find out say this woman still deal with this man. Just like the woman don't want to buy again.
Okay.
But the man still want his wife back. So the man come confirm to me, tell me say he wants his wife back. Make me help him. Talk to his wife. Make his wife come back to her. You understand? As man to man.
I don't know say now you they lash the woman.
No, I don't want to explain that to her. He get us a bigger. You understand? So now we can call the woman say, Afa, see waiting me and your husband talk. You understand? What did they play now? The woman say, la you. That's all. Maybe I go advise you bring this man back. Maybe you and this man continue. Like, the man talk everything. I take go please everything. The man not explain anything to me. I take stuff and follow this woman. I say carry this one for road.
Share the video, guys. I want to share.
You understand? So the man don't explain everything to me. So me na cause okay, no problem. I go help you. I go help you talk to the woman. You understand?
Yeah.
Now me they talk to my go. My don't want hear. If me they talk for the favor of your husband, now me they talk about you.
Now, if you they tell him me settle with your husband, you go they talk about your own say now you want settle with.
Exactly. The next thing as we go talk to the essay go to say I beg I won't come. This one I tell you she go your video call. She will not put breast on ground. After you talk, she go put breast for ground. Breast will not dig ground. Breast will just dig ground. It means you go use all the raw breast. I beg. Forget only your man. Forget only. You just can't talk. But now cause you have the TV view. Now I lock up. What to do? Now, when I just marry, now then while I start to. Not even before this, before when this for last time, now don't have you back.
Yes, not vessel, bro. Now waiting me, I be won't even ask you now. Now, Mama Ego want me you marry and he love you, you the lash her. How come she come to the collab with you? They talk to her bear you why? I want know a small. I want me your throw light for that. What happened between three of you now? You are there, you are and Mama Ego, and you dey lash Mama Ego.
God bless you. You think before I move to Italy, so when we say I did buy go out, that 1 week we say we 1 week I come so. I can't introduce my ego to Abe was a CEO. This woman they like me. I never like this woman. You understand? This woman I never see her on video call. This one I never see a video for video call.
Yeah.
You understand? We just talk on phone. I give her the control of my brother on Nigeria. So then Bible come to me say, the woman get money now. Now say the woman dash me 110. When you got that 110,000.
Yeah.
You understand? We take lawyer before.
Yeah.
Then he can't give her to $1,000. And my God, the woman have a good now. You get money. Can you follow up? I said, I'm not going to reason. Follow up. You don't say you did us. At least go see this.
Okay, now Mama Ego they tell you now, may you follow up with Abia you want.
Yes. Yes. Now my Ego make me even carry Abia you want. Nobody. Now she. You understand? So even my brother for us will let me know say, Abia you don't get husband though. Yeah, Abia you don't talk. Bro, just put you short to. You understand? The woman like you. The woman also professing like you. Now say, Oyepa. The red Nigeria was more for the man. My guy go and sit down there.
Okay.
I don't know the kind of woman I like. So last night, what my go say, see what they play. My go come interview. For a hassle. You understand? He called him talk to me and follow up. Follow up. She get money. Yeah, follow. Now I don't get what after you talk. That's what the people that don't hear you. You understand?
Yeah.
Now it can't be me and she. That is inside the game.
Inside the game. Okay.
So now. Immediately I land, I can't let Abiwa understand. See my godmother. Okay. I can't introduce Abiwa to Abiwa's godmother.
Okay.
For conference call.
Okay.
You understand? So when we go to Italy, I can't call Abiwa for video call. When I call Abiwa for video call, I can't say, man, this one I heavy duty. No go area. This is no go area. This one will sink me. You understand?
Yeah.
So I can't tell Abiwa, if you see Abiwa, you go wrong. You go wrong. I can't send one picture. The picture Abiwa sent for me now. Old school picture. She sleep that time. She sleep.
Yeah.
I can't say the picture. Go give Bigo. My go look the picture. I can't say everything now. Must say na lele. You know. So mind you, I go take with Mama. I will Bigo like this. Abiwa will call me.
Okay.
My go take Abiwa they call. Yeah, drop hang your own. I go hang my go. I go pick Abiwa home. Me and Abiwa go to talk like this. For this talk like 5 minutes. My go does the call. Go still call. I said Bigo was saying Bigo the call. You have your own. I pick my go. Which one they want to play love? And they play love with Abiwa. And they play love with my go.
You know why are you, my brother?
My brother, not be smart enough. Where every duty now they follow up with that time. Oh boy. Last. Only me want to restore my life. I don't forget what this woman do. This is a condemnable element. Now this one is started search for the right person who want to marry you.
Yeah.
You understand? I can't jump Becky. Becky come up. Becky do what? Becky, you don't want to fly like that. Don't want to do. I just don't ask me. Don't want to come out. That one move is cast on media everywhere. Scatter of media. My mind goes to do everything. He call me. Perfect Maria. My name is well love. And when now when this my bomb beat on your own.
Matter.
So carry the bread over it. You see bread, bros. The breast long. Understand? Has okay normally. I just use a while with time. Normally as a guy, I just chill out. Until I can't join my wife. When I meet my wife, this is why I tell you so now. All the money that they make, now you brother after the photo.
Yeah.
Now you brother for Lagos, they put the money. No man, as they put the money, so the guy they work, the guy they do that, they send me videos, they send me pictures, videos of the house where the house don't reach. You understand? Even your own brother knows, say, me and Mike go with the lash.
Your brother, Big Star, where they help you build us, no.
Big Star no say they fuck Bible. Big Star now even confirm to me say they don't return bride price. Why you don't want to take? They shaking all day. Say his sister really love me. You understand? Say his sister really love me. Now okay, no shaking. Now so me take continue. So when the bride comes, they give me hope. Say me his sister do really love me. Sister not there with Papa Ego. You don't do it. As me you they talk so Big Star Papa Ego. They don't they talk. They be enemy. Worst enemy that they be. They know they talk. And the house with Big Star did. Now buy go and get a house for Lagos. Mama go down there house for Lagos. The papa go get the house.
Ew.
You understand? Is that prison where the man they work when they come out of prison? They take you that house. You understand me now? So last night the house, they not collect for this man handle. They not collect the house.
If they collect papa, go house for his hand.
Yes, now. The land will be for the estate where you say get so will be for buying plots for inside. Now buy go need day from the beginning when they buy that plot. When this old brass boss, when the guy because they want the woman back by fire by force. He can't go change the name of that pipe because they put a good name from that plot of land. From that estate. And pipe will never know. This one I mean I know everything. Me know this time know. My God, I don't know. You understand? So before now, I better this that's okay. All those documents we did with them. I want send person come. Once my brothers come, maybe they go collect the document for him. Before now, this cause a problem not doing that. I want to support you. If you go Benin, because Big Star know my pass. Big Star the car we are back for Lagos, but Big Star driver go my father house. So because if you go Benin, you go drop the document for my past.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was early last year. Maybe I said no problem, no shaking. You understand? So the estate, I can't go why rent tax for Lagos. Yeah, I carry on my brother come. You understand?
Yeah.
Because one open team of content, creative content in Lagos.
Yeah.
But they join one of those things. Through Big Star, we get all those business plans, how to run all those things. You understand? That's to tell you how I take short and reach to.
Yeah.
You understand? So the estate, if they let me know this, maybe they follow sister Matt. Maybe they believe on her. You understand? It's not a woman.
Yes.
So this woman, he just goes through. You know, let me rest. Now, when you are married, now I can come my go stay as godmother. Me even shock. So when I come, I go there.
When you come, Mama go, Papa go there with him for Germany.
Yes, now for this February 2024.
Last year, February.
You know, say I do my marriage I do my introduction for February 18. Then I called my marriage for March 2nd.
Yeah.
You understand? So February, after my introduction for February, close to February, 20 February, I come to buy go. I say, I come my go, I say, I want my parent, I want to marry you. So I'm not saying what Kevin. He can't follow me. He husband go collect phone. He husband go pray for me. You understand? Me come shock say, Papa I go there with, Mama I go for Germany.
Okay.
Baga. If he come shock me, now say okay. He clear. Normally the way talk like say they call see children. They call see children. But that day they were together.
Yeah.
Beside bed. You understand? So I call you back. It's okay. Let me say. Just say this woman, this man, they don't really laugh. That means they don't come back.
They must lash. They must lash. That one I sure.
Mind you. See, I go expose this woman, never starts. Papa, I go there with this woman for house like this. This woman will call me. He go kitchen, he go call me. If he call me, he go open breast for me. Papa, I go to the bedroom. He get bedroom. He go open breast. This one, they wanted the fuck go. He took one side of the neck. They want to start knocking now. How should they enjoy? Papa, I go knocking now after the school. And they talking about your platform, and then you go here. The man don't ready to enter in Africus. She go stand up. She go teaching. She go come for video call. She go say, make I show my Ebola. May I show my Ebola? She go open bread for brand. I'll go show Ebola. Don't show Ebola finish. She go quickly come out. She go end because she can't go meet the man. This one I just show the blood so she dey wait. After she don't wait, she can't go meet the man for inside room. The man on Nakam.
But he said the mark bola not the work. Not vessel. He said the mark bola not the work. I can't tell the Nakam.
Bro, the man bola the work. May I tell you get this for the complete down. The man now 1 minute man.
Okay. No wala.
You understand? The man na 1 minute man. Not the bola not the work. The bola the work well.
Okay.
The man na just 1 minute man.
Okay.
That is the secret because the woman they like long. Make the man last for
like 2-3 hours, 1 hour. We have some all zigogo.
The problem with me at this woman death now be say the way me tell last time, she don't want to leave me. She don't want to let me go. That be the problem. Me not let go. She don't want to let go. That's just a secret. Not too much. As man, I talk about this is if I just come and like me now. Telegram. So we will come back again. You go see follow me.
That one I sure.
As you stupid, as you useless, you start to talk so. So the rate where this woman the way it takes lead by Bola. You understand?
Continue for where you stop yours now. Continue.
In my head that where there's a land, let's say big baby work where. In my head I look. Today what time now? I just said drop this morning. You understand? Because I want to go freshen up.
Okay. No wala. Thank you very much, brother. God bless you.
How are you?
I agree to bros. Okay. Yes, so my people, I better make una thumbs up and share this video so that other people feel see them. I believe so now they hear from the horse's mouth. That make me say make I call from Victor so that make una hear from him mouth. So now the few questions when I ask from Victor and he answer me, and una still dey here when I reply him back, say my brother you fail for that. Right now, according to Frank Victor, the woman already deceived and say he and the man not there. You understand? So you see the repeater for my platform. Okay, confirm the woman deceived and say he not there. But at the head, Frank Victor can't know. Say that day. But for Frank Victor to leave that woman, you might see why because like said the thing because if I were you, right from that day, when I hear from that man, my brother, when me you, I get strong mind to do things so. But if it comes to that level, I don't get that kind of mind. I don't go feel sleep that house again. I swear to God, I don't go feel sleep. Yes, I'll go find where I sleep. Or if I even sleep for that house, anything will even concern that woman, not go concern me again till I find my way from that place. Based on, as a woman, it still deceive you again. Say na lie, and so this and so that. Now so women be, that one I sure. She must confuse you. Let you know say na lie and the man not there. For you to see continue to the wear and ta. But as a man, when you be, the truth must be said. You don't already sense and you don't suspect. And your mind don't tell you already. Say, yes, this woman and that man, the black say, they're still there. Where you for error, bro, now be the place where you for still continue from there. Now there you for fuck up. I wish you know. As you all know, so okay, and that man there, you all abandon the woman. You find your way, come on there. You know the last shine again. You know the follow and do all those video call. You go for better pass. So that will make you be the, because mama go na number one adulterous woman. You go be the number one man when be still the adulterous man. You understand? Because both of una don't commit adulterous now. You understand? Now, you say later, Papa go see, come meet Mama go for house. You call her, tell her and say you want to do marriage. She can see the verse. Which Papa go there, Papa go pray for you. That means two of them see they meet. Papa go not go feel from Italy, go see Mama go say they don't lash. Or they don't knock. They must knock. We're there for one knock. So the same bed when you and for still knock. Mama go, you are a disgrace to the world. Yeah. You know say, yeah, for it. We know say Frank Victor fucked up big time for him to continue lash you before he come out. Or can see the open breast for you. You see the liver. They wash. They observe the breast and makers. You really fucked up for that one, we know. But the major problem here, now Mama ego. You are a loose dog. Mama ego, you be loose dog. He say your husband dey inside house, you go see call her for video call. You won't wait first. So that, God, things they happen. Mama ego, now you fit do this one. So, when I see what some women they do for Europe. Some women, when I see what they do for this European day, so. Some people are wicked. Somebody be they call in just now, like two people are be. If you know, say if they call in, you want to contribute or whatever, you are free to call now. The line is free now. Before we go continue, you are free to call in. If you want to contribute, my number is there. So I believe so now they hear everything with Frank Victor they talk since. Yeah, Frank Victor need big deliverance. Yeah, our deliver man, we'll deliver and we'll try and do something about that. And because of talk now, I want to take advantage of that guy because of working here. Why are you worry? Or say because of say the way you're free self. Well, will take advantage of it. I will deliverance in it. So then here making us stop, you know. So let's go straight forward. Because this matter go bloody. This matter, he go red. He go red.
My soul, you are my Africa queen. We are my room. Before I end this live video,
when I wash you,
I want to do this video.
When I wash, we'll play this video first before we continue.
Now I make me want to do this video. Now, you see this table where we do this like this now. This table now. Now center table. Now 4 square meter table now. Square meter table. Now
when I square you here go. I take square my mind go make us.
Board day, small board day here. From here go down to the bed.
Okay.
Now parlor, we talk about panwan.
Parlor.
Sitting room. From here down to the bed. This place now, small place to say television day here. Why you will not get television day here? This side now table day where they put food, where they eat food. This one fridge like this, one small fridge like this, bam. Now this place they put mats for ground, mats, not bed. They put small bed for ground when these 2 boys will sleep. The last one and Victor, they will sleep here. You understand? They will sleep here. Here now here, their man will last for here. The children today they sleep. The senior one they in the room. The senior girl they in one room. The room, the 2 bedroom. That's small room. This 2 bedroom, that's small storerooms there. The small boy there with small bed. The girl there with small bed too. While the main parlor, now the man go put his own bed. When they sleep, he use wallpaper designer when they see when they like the soul. And that bed for like the soul. Now bed for like the soul when they soul. You understand this small space here, so this space now you work out and that's it. This space, man, this place, these children they sleep. You understand? Now there for the fire, the mama. We better dark, you know. Not be saying story. We better to.
Okay, the phone number to call. Wait, let me pin the number.